In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose who can @mention you. If you've ever been tagged in posts you didn't ask for, setting @mention controls can help you keep your notifications relevant and your profile comfortable. We'll walk through exactly where this control lives on Pinterest and how to pick the level that fits your needs, whether you want open collaboration or tighter privacy. Start by going to Pinterest in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to manage. I'm demonstrating on desktop, but the flow is very similar in the mobile app, so you'll be able to follow along either way. The key is to reach your account settings, where all your safety and interaction preferences live. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the menu that contains your account tools. It may appear as your profile picture, a down arrow, or a label that says Settings and Support. Click that to open the menu. If your screen size is small, this menu can be tucked behind an icon. Expand it so you can see the full list of options. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens your main settings area, which is organized into sections like Account Basics, Privacy, and Social Controls. Take a brief moment here to let the page load fully. Some options appear as you scroll, and you don't want to miss the one we need. In the settings sidebar or list, look for social permissions. Select it to open the controls that govern how other people can interact with you. This is where Pinterest groups features like comments, messages, and mentions, making it easy to fine-tune who can reach you and how. Now choose your preferred setting for who can @mention you. You'll typically see options that let you open mentions broadly or limit them more narrowly. Common choices include allowing mentions from everyone, only from people you follow, or turning mentions off so no one can tag you. If you collaborate frequently or want to be discoverable for partnerships, a more open option can be helpful. If you've been getting unwanted tags, limiting mentions to people you follow or disabling them entirely will cut down on noise and prevent surprise notifications. As you make your selection, note that changes usually save automatically. If you see a save button, click it before leaving the page. That's all it takes. A quick recap: open Pinterest, head to Settings and Support, go into Settings, open Social Permissions, and pick the mention level that matches your comfort. You can revisit this anytime if your needs change, and it's a good idea to review these controls periodically to keep your experience positive and in your control.